Today we will be unboxing this Aqueon flat heater, 7.5 watts for gallons, 2.5 to 5 gallons. So as you know, I have a new beta tank and betas don't like cold water, so I had to get another heater. And I wanted to try this flat heater because I've never tried it before and see if it works. So let's unbox it. So as you can see, the description says ideal for desktop aquarium. Completely submersible, efficiently warms water. So let's open it. Here's my aquarium. Let's turn the fishy. It's a little guy that likes fishy. And so there is my new tank. And let's feel the water. Oh, that is cold. So this is where the heater comes in. So it's a pretty small footprint and it comes with a suction. So this is the instruction. So you need to have a drip loop and put the flat heater on the side like this.
Here's another one.
Alright, so let's do that. Make sure the heater is submerged to at least a minimum level. Alright, so let's do that. It's ready.